Hello guys, welcome to Gaming Hub, and this second tutorial will tell you about some stop signs. So your car must jump to a complete half before passing stop signs. So guys, let's do it let's do it. First of all, you have to start your engine, then take your seat belt, and then give first gear to it and give some race to it, and you see the stop sign. So you have to stop your car here. Thanks for watching Gaming Hub. In this second tutorial, we will tell you some more tips about science. So keep watching Gaming Hub. Thank you so much for watching Gaming Hub.